G'day folks, Uncle Knackers here from DIY for Knuckleheads with a quick video today to pick the winner of my latest / first ever YouTube competition. And it's in relation to that where we had to count words, pallet words, had to count, you know what I mean. And up for grabs are these two magnificent and rare DIY for Knuckleheads stickers. Must be worth an absolute mint. $2 at least, each. Now, as you probably know, the competition was about how many times I said the word pallet in my last how to build a pallet wood serving tray video. And the answers ranged from between 2 up to 1,000. Bit out, but for the majority of the answers, and there were a lot of them, were between 13 or 14. How many did you count? Time to draw the competition. Can somebody please cue the drum roll? The old competition drum roll. What? We don't have one? What do you mean we don't? We do have one, a drum roll. We do. Where? Cupboard? Which cupboard? There. No, it's over here. I'll go get it. It's here. Okay, are you ready? Are you sitting down? Here it is. If your guess was that I said the word pallet 13 times, so close but no cigar. It was 14. And if you can see your name here, then you guys were the first 20 people to guess correctly that I said the word pallet 14 times, and now go into the draw to win these magnificent stickers, which I will sign, by the way. So congratulations and good luck. Now, I am a little old school, so I'm just going to be using this hat for the draw, an Australian top hat. And all you need to do is to tip all of these names into that hat, like that. Give it a bit of a mix up, and then I'm going to draw out one lucky winner. Okay, let's go. And the winner is, drum roll please maestro, a rabbit. I've just pulled a rabbit out of a hat. What are the odds? That's mental. Never happened before, a rabbit in a hat. It's one for the books. No, seriously, the winner is, mix them all up, mixing. The winner is, here we go, it's coming out. Dan Enge Woodworking. Well done, Dan, and I'll be contacting you through YouTube. You can also contact me, and somehow we'll manage to get those stickers to you. And very quickly before I go, I just want to give a big thank you to all of you out there who entered the competition. It was a whole lot of fun, and I'm hoping that there'll be a few more to come down the track. And also, for all of you who watched my last video, it was the first one that I'd done in quite some time. I was a bit rusty, but I hope you all found something useful and also you enjoyed it at the same time. Alrighty, be safe. Until next time, I'm out of here. Cheers.